When it comes to building wealth, many of us feel overwhelmed and unsure of where to start. But the truth is, some fundamental principles can help guide us towards financial freedom. From investing and appreciating assets like stocks and real estate, to actively boosting your income by starting a side hustle, there are steps you can take to grow your net worth and achieve your goals. It's not just about the numbers. Building wealth also requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to take calculated risks. So, if you're ready to take charge of your finances and start building your wealth, then sit back and enjoy the video. And if you learned something new, please give it a like. Number 1, start with a clear goal. Building wealth is like going on a road trip. You need a map and a destination. Without a clear financial goal, you'll drive aimlessly without knowing where you're headed. So, take some time to figure out what you want to achieve financially, whether saving up for a down payment on a house or retiring comfortably. Once you have a clear goal in mind, you can make more informed financial decisions and stay motivated along the way. But setting a goal is just the beginning. You also need to break it down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to save up $50,000 for a down payment on a house, you might need to cut back on expenses, increase your income, and save aggressively. By breaking down your goal into manageable steps, you'll be able to see progress along the way and stay motivated to keep going. Number 2, spend less than you earn. Let's face it, spending money is fun. But if you want to build wealth, you need to be disciplined about your spending. That doesn't mean you must give up everything you love. Instead, focus on cutting back on unnecessary expenses, like eating out too often or subscribing to too many streaming services. By making minor changes to your spending habits, you can free up more money to put toward your financial goals. Number 3, be patient and disciplined. One key to success is being patient and disciplined. Making short-term decisions based on your emotions or impulses can be tempting, but the most successful wealth builders understand the importance of sticking to a long-term plan. But being patient and disciplined doesn't mean being boring. In fact, there are many creative ways to stay on track and keep yourself motivated. For example, you could set up a reward system for hitting certain financial milestones or celebrate your progress with a fun activity or treat. By staying focused, consistent, and creative, you can build wealth while enjoying the journey. Number 4, automate your savings and investments. One of the biggest obstacles to building wealth is procrastination. It's easy to put off saving and investing when there are so many other demands on your time and money. But by automating your savings and investments, you can take the hassle and guesswork out of building wealth. Setting up automatic transfers and contributions can help ensure that you're saving and investing consistently without having to think about it. But automation isn't just about making things easier. It's also about building good habits. By automating your savings and investments, you're building a habit that will serve you well over the long term. Plus, seeing your savings and investments grow automatically without doing anything extra can be motivating. Number 5, network and build relationships. Building solid relationships is a critical part of building wealth. These relationships can open up new opportunities and help you increase your earning potential. One way to build relationships is to attend industry conferences or events, join professional organizations, or participate in online communities. Investing time and effort into building relationships allows you to expand your knowledge and expertise, learn from others, and find new growth opportunities. Real quick, If you learned something new already or enjoy the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Number 6, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket isn't just a cliche, it's also great advice regarding investing. Diversifying your investments can reduce risk and increase potential returns. But diversification isn't just about spreading your money across different stocks. It's also about investing in other asset classes like bonds, real estate, and commodities. By diversifying your portfolio, you can protect yourself against market downturns and exploit opportunities in different sectors. Number 7, actively boost your income. One of the most powerful wealth-building strategies is to actively boost your income. But what does that mean exactly? It means finding ways to earn more money. It may require taking on more responsibility at work, investing time and money into a side hustle, or stepping out of your comfort zone to start your own business. Not only will you have more money to work with, but you'll also gain valuable skills and experience that can benefit you over time. And who knows, your side hustle may even turn into a full-time career one day. Number 8, invest in appreciating assets. Investing in appreciating assets is one of the key principles of building wealth. This means putting your money into assets that will increase in value over time, like stocks, real estate, or precious metals, as mentioned earlier. One of the benefits of investing in appreciating assets is that they have the potential to generate passive income. For example, rental properties can provide monthly cash flow from tenants, while dividend-paying stocks can provide regular income without requiring you to sell any assets. Investing in appreciating assets can be a powerful way to build long-term wealth. Number 9, invest early and consistently. When it comes to investing, time is your friend. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. As Albert Einstein said about investing, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Investing is all about consistency. Investing a little bit each month allows you to take advantage of dollar cost averaging and avoid trying to time the market. And remember, you don't have to be a stock-picking genius to be a successful investor. Simple, low-cost index funds can be a great way to get started. But investing isn't just about the numbers, it's also about mindset. Investing requires discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. It's like planting a seed. You don't see immediate results, but over time, it can grow into something extraordinary. As Warren Buffett said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Number 10, take calculated risks. Finally, you must be willing to take calculated risks to build wealth. This means stepping outside your comfort zone and taking chances that have the potential to pay off big over the long term. Of course, taking risks doesn't mean being reckless. It means being strategic and thoughtful about your risks. Additionally, taking calculated risks can be investing in yourself, pursuing new career opportunities, starting a business, or taking on a new challenge. Taking calculated risks and embracing new opportunities can position you for long-term success. So which of these 10 principles of wealth have you yet to think of or try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, then please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications to get notified anytime we drop a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.